Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you step by step how you can create a questionnaire or poll and post it on Google Classroom, for example, for your students or class participants to participate in that poll. So let us get started. Head over to Google Classroom, head over to the home section here at top left and select the class you would like to edit. So let me click into that one here. After that, switch from the Stream tab here to Classwork at the top and click on plus create here. And what you want to do in the next step, guys, is select quiz assignment or question, even better. To create a poll, I would recommend to go with question from that drop-down menu. And after that, post your question. For example, what is your favorite subject or something like that, question mark. And after that, you may select the question type here to the right, like for example, a short answer or multiple choice. If you, for example, select multiple choice, you'll be given the opportunity to add your options here. Like, I don't know, option 1 is you may click into it to customize it, remove the default text and type in, I don't know, subject biology, and add another option, remove the default text and add math. And let me also add a third subject, like geography, for instance, and so on and so forth, guys. You may also customize these options or items by clicking on these three dots here to the right, and for example, move them down, move their position, duplicate them, remove them by clicking on that X button here. What you want to do also, guys, is, for instance, describe your question by using that text box here under instructions. However, doing that is optional. You may attach files like, I don't know, PDFs, instructions, videos from external video streaming platforms, upload files like spreadsheets, documents, Excel files, and so on and so forth from your device. And last but not least, guys, you may go through a short pre-publishing setup here to the right. You may assign the class you would like to post your poll in. So make sure that you select the correct class from the list below. Decide whether you'd like to notify all students or only selected ones by clicking on that button here. After that, you will be given access to a list of all of your class students. Or if your class doesn't feature any students yet, you may simply invite them by clicking on this button. And so on and so forth. You may set a due date, and that's basically it, guys. You may, of course, use that question or poll feature also as a test or exam. Just post a question like in an exam, or post multiple questions, set a point, a maximum amount of points here, or leave it at ungraded. And that's basically it. Once you're ready to post your poll inside your class, simply click on Ask here in the top right corner, or use that button here to schedule the publishing for later or save it as a draft. So if I click on Ask here, the given poll will get posted within my class. And as you can see, now all my class students or participants will be given the opportunity to answer to that question. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.